Hi, we are still in teacher practice area, the interesting place with interesting activities and resources. And I would like to go to another activity. In the first tutorial, I talked about BigBlueBotton very briefly, but now let's talk about creating a BigBlueBotton class more in details. I added to the topic, well, adding a new BigBlueBotton to topic 1. Okay, instance type, it can be room, activity with recording, room or activity only, or recording only. I wanted a chat room or activity with recording. Well, virtual classroom name. Let's call it biology class. It has no relation with language teaching, but just a name. Can be any name based on the topic, based on the subject matter. And we can tick it for sending notification to people when we adjust the time. We can add some description or a welcome note. Welcome to biology class. And we can choose it to be displayed on the course page by ticking it. Well, activity room settings. Welcome message. Yes, in fact, we should write that welcome message here. And if we tick this part, wait for moderator, we cannot enter the class until the moderator enters. But I do not tick it. Session can be recorded, yes. Now let's go to recording settings. Show only imported links or show recording preview. Recording previews or better. Presentation content, I can upload PowerPoint presentation, some pictures, some videos here. Upload it from computer or from each of these resources. And then I can show it during the presentation, the live classroom. Adding participation. All users enrolled? Yes. Based on role, can be categorized based on role or just a user, but I leave it as a default. Then we can add something to it. Add manager. If it's based on role, we can just allow different roles, particular roles to enter, but all users is better. Then all users enrolled can be as viewers or as moderators. Role of teacher. Teacher can be a moderator, not a viewer. Now it's important to schedule for the session. I want it to begin now. First of all, we should enable date, changing schedule. I want the class to begin now and take an hour. Again, we've got common module setting, restriction access, activity completion condition, tags, etc. I do not make any changes in them. Let's save and return to course and see how we can enter the classroom. Wow, biology class, welcome to biology class. I have the editing on, but in order to see how this class can be viewed, by a student who doesn't have this editing, right? I turn the editing button off and the student can see it in this way. Let's enter the class. Welcome notice here. The description is here. And join the session recording. There are no recording to show. Import recording links. Now let's just join the session. Okay, it's taking time to be uploaded. And again, we see another quotation. Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn. Good quotation. Now, this is the classroom. We can enter with microphone, if we want to speak, I want to be able to speak, to allow the microphone. I can give an audio test. Use a headset. Yes. Okay. Recording notification. You can record this meeting. Okay, let it go now. I'm not gonna record it now. Well, here are the users. Now I'm the only user here with the microphone, right? I can mute my microphone. Here shows the webcams. At the moment, I'm not gonna, turn it on, maybe at a better condition. And this part we can chat here. Hello all. Yes, we can chat here and share our chats here. And this is our board. This way, pan and zoom. And then, yes, pencils. We can use pencil to write something. I'm not good at it. Oops, yes, I just wanted to write hi. Forget about it. Next slide. What does it mean? Oh, wow. It's got different parts. I didn't know that. This slide, next slide is left blank. And we can go to the next slides. There are 6 slides here by default and we can change them based on this. Okay, let's draw some shapes. We can draw circles, triangles, we can write texts, clear all things, undo it, select colors. Oh, we can select, I love colors. Okay, we can go to next slide, previous slide, maximize, minimize, go to setting, global setting, change for updates, and about Adobe Flash Player. Okay, we can do a lot here on this board, and this is a very good place for creating live classes by sharing audio, video, sharing our webcams, and screen sharing. And here, by pushing this button, clicking on this button, we can start recording too. There are some shortcut keys here, and I'm sure a lot more than we can explore, and use this activity as a very good platform for our live synchronous classes. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a nice time.